really do remember the first time that I heard a Borla exhaust on a BMW. It was at Watkins Glen, 1990 or 1991. And it was on a BMW E30 M3. Car went by, and again, back then there was plenty of E30 M3s running around racetracks, but this one sounded different. And I remember chasing down that car and going to see what kind of exhaust it had on it. And the Borla intercooled tips, as they were called by the time, were sticking out the back. And ever since then, it's been burned in my brain, that sound and that unique experience of a car whipping by with that exhaust on there. It was very cool.
So we're racing in Utah, and it is a huge battle, going from front first to second to third, back to the lead again, and all of a sudden there's a big pileup. Everybody wrecks into the back of me. Everything falls off the car. The bumper, the fenders are now crinkled. What survives? Our exhaust. And we keep on going, and we win the race. I mean, you need durability. I mean, the bumpers, they fall off, they're plastic, but whatever the exhaust was made out of that day, that took us to the win.
I think for the fans it provides a different experience. When you hear a Turner M3 go by with the Borla exhaust on it, the note is crisp and clear and deep. It's inspiring sometimes.
had a lot of exciting cars in my life, and in particular this one, with the Borla exhaust. Everywhere I go, I get people that nod their head at me, people give me the thumbs up. They say, wow, I've never heard a BMW that sounds like that before. I get a lot of people ask me, John, why Borla? Why did you choose Borla? What was really important to me this time with this exhaust was that I have a system that doesn't drone. A common problem with aftermarket exhausts is this sound reverberation, particularly at certain RPMs on the freeway, just really irritating, hard on the ears, and really annoying. I picked Borla because it doesn't have drone. The technology that goes into the engineering of the system, pretty much drone free, and it was really important to me. The engine note provided by the Borla exhaust system is just fantastic. I've never heard anything quite like it before.